Hello and welcome to English 12 British Literature via Canvas. My name is Miss Winfield and I am your instructor for this course. Today, I would like to take a few moments to go over Canvas with you to get you better acquainted with this online platform. If you go over to your dashboard, you will have the option to click on the various courses in which you were enrolled. Today, we're going to click on English 12 British Literature. We are currently at our courses homepage, and you will see many tabs here on the left-hand side that we will get to in just a moment. First, we are going to click where it says Course Information, Start Here. When you click on this tab, you are provided with 3 different files that you will need to check out before going any further. The first one is entitled English 12 British Literature. Go ahead and open that up. It provides you with some welcome information as well as the English 12 Britlit syllabus. Please make sure that you click on this link to open up the syllabus and read it very carefully before proceeding. We'll go through to the next tab. The next tab provides you with a course introduction. Again, this provides the course objectives and outcomes so you know exactly what you will be learning before proceeding with this course. We have one more tab that we'll click through together. And this is the instructor information. This provides my name, office hours, phone number, and email so that if you have any questions, you can contact me in multiple ways. Okay, let's go back to our homepage. We click on the homepage. We can view our first module together. For each module, we have a span of dates. So you will see that this module begins on April 23rd and goes through May 11th. So we'll go ahead and open that up. Under each module, you will find a few different things. The first file that you will open is a course map and learning objectives folder. If you click on this folder, it will provide you with the course map and the objectives that are aligned to this module. Additionally, you will have the content standards. These are the State of Ohio standards that are aligned to each of the resources and the reading as well as the assignments that are covered in this module. Let's go down to the next tab here. We have our first set of dates. I've broken down each module into different sections by dates. Most of them are about a week long. The first one is April 23rd through April 27th. It provides you with an overview as to what you need to do in this first part of the module. You'll see that there are instructions to review notes. I have provided notes in the form of a PowerPoint as well as a PDF version if you'd like to print a copy of your notes, the required reading, and then your first assignments. You will see without even clicking on the assignment, its due date as well as the point value here. Let's continue scrolling down. Okay, again, we have another week which gives you the objectives, the assignments, and all of the materials that you need in order to complete this part of the module. And then our third and final part of Module 1, which will take you through May 11th. I would recommend looking over your assignments and your projects prior to going much further in Module 1 so that if you have any questions, you can go ahead and contact me before it's too late. All right, let's go back up to we're at the home page again. We have other options here on the side. You can click around and get better acquainted with this site, but you do have options to click on the assignments tab, which will provide you with all of your assignments for the first module, and they are in order by the date. You also have an option to click on the course discussions. We will have many discussions throughout this course. You'll want to, again, click on this and note the time frames. because some of these discussions open up on a specific date and they close on a specific date. So you can go in and comment on threads and comment on other classmates' discussions here, but you want to make sure that you go in and check out the dates. We also have tabs on here for your grades, collaborations with other students, which are really nice. If you click on the collaborations tab here at the bottom, you can collaborate with your classmates, whether you have a question about the reading assignment or you're working together on a project. It allows you to open up a Google Doc and it links you with the other students in the course. And you can go ahead and just start typing on that Google Doc in order to communicate with your peers. There is a conference tab that I wanted to make mention of. You'll want to click on this very soon after beginning the course. The conference that will occur for the first module will occur on a specific date and time. So I will need you to go into the conference tab and check that out so you can make yourself available to that conference. This conference will be a video conversation with all of your classmates. I have a topic in the conference tab that you can go ahead and read and review in order to prepare for prior to beginning that conference. All of the modules are listed here. Again, you have another tab in which you can click on and quickly view your syllabus. The files, it's a nice, quick, easy way to click on and view all of the files I have uploaded for the course. So there is your overview for English 12 British Literature via Canvas. Again, if you have any questions, please make sure that you contact me immediately. I look forward to meeting you and speaking with you, and good luck in our class. We'll talk to you soon.